Hello guys, in today's video I would like to talk about tips and tricks, how to make a great presentation. So please stay tuned and let's start our lesson. Okay, so first things first, we should start with a clear goal of our presentation. So ask yourself, what do I want the audience to remember? One presentation equals one main message. Everything else should support that message. Tip number 2. Know your audience. Adjust language, examples, and level of detail. Academic audience, well, which means precision and structure. General audience, it means clarity, examples, and visuals. Always ask yourself, what do they already know? Tip number 3. Structure is everything. A strong presentation has a clear structure. Introduction, what and why, body, 2 up to 4 key points, then conclusion, summary plus takeaway. Tell them what you'll say. Say it, remind them what you said. Okay, so tip number 4, design slides for the eye, not the script. One idea per slide, use keywords, not full sentences. Font size should be minimum 24. High contrast, so dark text on light background or vice versa. Tip number 5, less text, more meaning. Slides support you, not replace you. Replace paragraphs with bullet points, diagrams, charts, images, only if relevant. And rule of thumb, if it fits on one slide, it's probably too much. Okay? Tip number 6, use visuals strategically. Visuals should explain, emphasize, clarify, label charts clearly. Avoid decorative images with no function. Tip number 7. Signposting helps the audience. Use clear verbal markers. First, let's look at. Now, I'll move on to sum up. This keeps listeners oriented and engaged. Tip number 8. Practice delivery, not memorization. So, practice out loud. Know your opening and closing very well. Aim for natural phrasing, not a memorized script. Tip. Practice once standing up as you will present. Tip number 9. Voice and body language matter. Speak slightly slower than normal. Vary intonation to avoid monotony. Maintain eye contact. Use natural gestures. Confidence often comes from posture and breathing. Tip number 10. Manage time wisely. So plan around one slide per minute. Always prepare a shortened version. If time runs out, skip details, not conclusions. Tip number 11. Handle questions professionally. Listen fully before answering. If unsure, you can always say, "That's a good question, I'll need to check that." Clarify vouch questions before responding. Tip number 12. End strong. So, summarize key points. Restate the main message. Finish with a conclusion, a recommendation, a thought-provoking question. First impressions matter and last impressions stay. Remember this statement. Okay? So my final tip, and it's the 13th tip. A good presentation is not about showing how much you know, but about making others understand and remember. Please have a lovely presentation in the future and good luck. Thank you guys so much for watching my lovely video. So up next we will have a topic related to skills of great presenter. So please stay tuned. If you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button. You can write anytime any comment under my videos. I'm very happy to see your responses. So have a lovely day and see you next time in the next episode. Bye bye.